pull up harder than yours.
I'm just gonna pull out my cabinet.
No, you're good like that.
Look, guys, I know
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to IGS cockpit.
Transport is ready. 9-9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poe Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Bakara.
Roger. This is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
No need to
go, recruits.
Ground crews, deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Sequence on deck 3.
Lisa, Parker, guys. It'll be a smooth flight. General Organa is eagerly waiting for Alright, welcome aboard, recruits.
This is your final call report. I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line. That's better. Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure.
All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds.
Good.
Hyperdrive.
Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Hyperdrive need to get down the view.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, 9-9. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are hot. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
We're in it.
Nenda kuweka system scan rege.
Affirmative.
Nenda okay.
Hyperdrive systems normal. Main reactor.
Haya mtuma nake.
Engage repulsors and hold on, recruits. All ships launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Vakara.
Red 2, blue 5, keep it tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Fighters, reroute! Reroute! Red 2, blue 5, we got a clear path so transport can make the jump.
Taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue.
I'm trying, but
We lost blue 5. I'm gonna try to drive the other way.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in the tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
Get some friends and make this a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, Nine-Nut? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves. Prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
This ship is now under control of the First Order. You will leave this ship. Now.
Peter, yeah, here you guys.
What's up, buddy? Oh my god. Crap. It's good to become captain, man. That's awesome.
I know it looks way better than you.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, running up there. You're good?
Yeah.
You're good.
I gotta get with my buddies. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Here, excuse me. I guess I got excuse me.
We're in the ship now.
Oh, excuse me. I was Phil, man.
Dave's catching up.
I'm making friends with the soldiers back there.
Nice. Here, Peter. Let me get up here, guys. Well, no, this one's that thing. Yeah, just like the speech. That's 4 on the orange there.
Great. Okay.
You will all be right here. We will all be interrogated together. This is sick, dude. Now, everyone look down at your feet.
You're red.
And remember these interrogation codes that I have assigned you. It will make everything easier for you and us moving forward. What color did I assign you?
Red.
Good. Someone in your group's paying attention. You all chose the wrong side of this conflict. No, we will do exactly what we want to do. One way or the other. Now, red and orange, into the cell. Red and blue, follow them in. Stand towards the middle of the cell.
Drag your bodies into the dead center.
Order, order.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We'll meet it on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Maybe not for long.
Get to the escape pods now.
Yep, your unit's got escape plans to get you back to the 2. Try to get to the escape pods and down on the lower levels. Welcome to the Resistance recruits.
Okay.
Listen to Finn.
Take this corridor to the turbo lift. Then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batuu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Improved droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. You're breaching attention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Pick these two droids anyway.
Priority lost. Detachment to level D.
Fire!
The escape pods to forward.
you're good, try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations! Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, scan for his pod beacon. Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! You're alive. I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Welcome back to the group! Excellent work out there, ready? Make sure you grab all of your gear. Anything you leave behind, please send to the scrapyard for Zombie. Thank you all for supporting the Resistance.
Alright, recruits. Good job.
Holy moly.
Oh, is he?
I love me.
That was awesome.